2024 Ford F-150. With less than 44,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.